You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of this very talented actor? Ralph Fiennes. I know it's counterintuitive. Ralph, so you just ignore the L, that is silent. PH is like an F in telephone. And the A is an A sound rather than an R. So Ralph is normally how you pronounce this first name, but for him, Ralph, okay? And then Fiennes, just ignore the first E. And Fiennes, Ralph Fiennes. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.